What's that?
Granola. We didn't eat breakfast, so breakfast.
저는 지금 성판악 탐방로를 이용하고 있습니다. Getting harder and harder. 아, well, so at 12:30 we're gonna do. 오씨. 오이, 오이. 이거 bro?
Yeah.
We're finally here. We're so lucky enough to see the whole view. Wait there, because 오씨. Down top. Damn, that hike was amazing. 4 hours up, 2 hours at the summit, 3 hours down, 9 hours in total. It was one of the best hikes
It was
ever.
worth it,
Yeah, it was definitely worth it. 네, 여러분 안녕하십니까. 제주도 마지막 날 일정이 시작됐습니다. 오늘 일정은 그렇게 뭐가 많지 않아요. What's that?
Granola. We didn't eat breakfast, so breakfast.
네, 숙소에서 1시간 정도 운전해서 와야 되기 때문에 아침을 못 먹고 너무 일찍 출발해서 지금 등반하면서 먹고 있어요. 한라산 등반 코스가 여러 개가 있는데 저는 지금 성판악 탐방로를 이용하고 있습니다. 성판악 코스랑 관음사 코스는 인터넷으로 미리 예약을 해야 돼요. 티오가 정해져 있기 때문에 마지막 자리 운 좋게 예약을 해서 지금 8시부터 친구랑 같이 등산을 하고 있습니다.
Mount Halasan. Bigger than the Everest.
아침에 오는 길에 한 6시 반부터 7시 반 정도까지 비가 좀 왔었거든요. 딱 완벽하게 촉촉하고 상쾌한 상태인 것 같은데 이따가 또 한 2시부터 계속 비가 예정돼 있어요. 우비를 차에 두고 와가지고 뭐 어떻게 되겠죠 뭐. 일단 한라산은 입장료가 없습니다. 의외로 없습니다. 의외인지 아닌지 모르겠지만 첫 번째 휴식 시간. 에너지 충전 완료.
I got a burst of energy.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, me too after the after the protein bar. Super chill morning in the nature.
It's super chill.
It is super chill.
I mean, it's chill, but it's
Okay, physically it's not chill.
yeah.
The atmosphere is really chill.
Ay,
We're like 1/3. 오, 이제 햇빛이 들어오고 있네요. Hey, we are 2.2 kilometers away from the next checkpoint.
2.2?
Yeah, it's getting harder and harder. It's getting harder and harder. 정상도 올라갈 때 되면 완전 방전된 상태가 될 것 같습니다. Third stop of the day. Yeah, you need a boost of energy for just a while. My shoes already got super dirty. Yours are like resistant to everything. Yeah, water, dirt.
I don't know if sand, but
후, 다시 출발. 지금 정상까지 한 절반 정도 온 것 같거든요. 그리고 해발 1300m 고지를 돌파했습니다. No pain, no gain. 힘들다. 0.7 kilometers to the next emergency shelter and 2.3 kilometers from the next emergency shelter to the summit, I think. Quick stop before this freaking
stop?
nightmare. Ah, well. Oh, we did it. We did it. 아, 비 오네. Gasolina, toma gasolina, ella le canta la canción.
imagine if I took out a whole burger from my bag.
We still have 2.3 kilometers.
How many?
2.3 kilometers.
Okay.
Now it's 10:50. So at 12:30 we're gonna be up there.
Yeah. Oh, no, you brought that.
I have another one.
No, I'm good. Alright. Because now I'm gonna feel pretty full.
오케이, 15분 정도 쉬고 다시 출발했습니다. 2.3km 정도 남았고 진달래 대피소에 1시까지는 도착해야 정상으로 올라갈 수 있고 정상에서는 2시 반에는 내려와야 되는데 이제 11시밖에 안 돼서 저희는 진짜 시간이 충분합니다. 제 생각에는 여기서부터가 진짜 좋을 것 같아요. 제주도도 한눈에 다 보이니까. Qué rico. La montaña.
Ah, yo dije, me quería saludar.
Whoosh! I stepped on the edge of a rock, so I almost tripped. I didn't fall, but I almost tripped. 1.6 kilometers above sea level. Oi, oi. You good, bro?
Yeah.
Do we need a quick stop?
Sí.
Okay.
Ay, Dios.
Hey, look, thumbnail. Okay, yeah. You look like kind of like Jack Harlow.
Nah, no way.
2.3km 중에서 0.8km 왔고 1.5km 더 남았어요. 약 1시간 남았어요. 오, 시원하다. We're above the clouds. 오케이, 이제 좀 완만한 구간입니다. 네, 뷰 진짜 장난 없네요. Okay, let's go. We still have a few hundred meters to go.
I think it's definitely more.
Really?
I mean,
아,
are we supposed to go all the way to the top? Because I'm seeing at least a kilometer, a few hundred meters.
maybe that was my hope. 여기서부터 저기까지 가야 돼요. 등산 초반에 걱정했던 게 무색할 정도로 지금 해도 많이 떴고 지금 굉장히 날씨가 좋습니다. 이따가 어떻게 될지 한번 지켜봐야 될 테지만
This last 3 months, if I had this amount of physical strength, it's here now.
거의 다 왔습니다.
Yeah, it's all the way.
정상 가기 전에 진짜 마지막 휴식. I lost count of the number of stops we made. Ya casi. Ya llegamos. Las últimas escaleras. Hey, we made it. Ah! We're finally here.
Jason made like, not kidding, like 10 stops.
No, we did.
Never go hiking with Jason.
No. We did it. We're so lucky enough to see the whole view. Like,
Show it.
yeah. Not even a single cloud. Yeah. Even the last time I came here, the view was gone in like 10 minutes. Wow, it's so windy, man. I can't even hold my camera straight. I'm gonna eat a bread.
This was the best idea ever, man.
Green tea, cream bread. You wanna have a bite?
Yeah, I'll try.
Nah, bro. No, man. Oh.
Ah, una soleadita ahí, güey.
가방 너무 가벼운데?
The last 400 millimeters of water that I have was a really enlightening experience. It's like a spark of fire in life.
This.
Yeah.
I think it's more than that. We're getting super philosophical.
Last look at the summit before you go down. 너무 바람 많이 불어요 진짜. Okay, we're really going down now. My goal now is to reach the point that there's not too much wind as soon as possible. 올라오는데 4시간 걸렸으니까 내려가는 데는 한 2시간 정도 걸릴 것으로 예상하고 있습니다. 이미 진달래 대피소에서 1시에 올라가는 걸 통제해서 더 올라온 사람은 없어요. 내려간 사람만 있고. 올라갈 땐 여기서 저기까지 1시간 걸렸는데 내려오는 데는 20분도 채 걸리지 않았습니다. Oh my god, my legs are trembling bro.
Yeah. It's too much force of putting on.
Yeah. Finally, flat enough to vlog. It was so tough. The weather forecast said that it was gonna rain from starting from 1 or 2, but you know, it's not raining and it's not even cloudy at this point. Really sunny. Jeju weather is so unpredictable.
We had everything. Sunny,
Rainy,
windy, rainy,
foggy.
foggy.
Okay, we reached the first checkpoint.
It took us
More or less an hour.
an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Just gonna drink a bit of water.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Me too.
It was a really necessary stop. You want some my juice? 이제 다시 가보도록 하겠습니다.
Mira, saluda al blog de Jason. Al blog de Jason. Está grabando su blog. Sí.
Okay, back to the hike. Let's go, let's go. Andrés, espérate. 겨우 떨어져 봤네. We're not halfway distance-wise, but time-wise, we are more than halfway there. Because oosh, the more we go down, the easier it'll be. So we will take less time. 드디어 빨리 갈 수 있는 길. 오, 시원하다. 아, 0.7 more for what? Okay. I mean, yeah, we're almost done. From now on, it's gonna be just a chill walk, but with pace. Last stop of the day. You gonna go to the bathroom? We only have 3.5 kilometers of flat surface. If we increase our pace, we can definitely make it inside 30 minutes. 0.6km 남았습니다.
I'm pretty exhausted right now. We're gonna get something to eat after. I want tofu.
Tough.
But I mean, Jason would eat anything. So.
Yeah, that's exactly true. Yo, 야, 입구 다 왔습니다. Damn, that hike was amazing. We made it, we made it. Ay, ay, ay. She was nice. 4 hours up, 2 hours at the summit, 3 hours down, 9 hours in total. Woo! Our knees are like about to not function. Yeah, but at the end it was one of the best hikes
It was
ever.
worth it,
Yeah, it was definitely worth it. 네, 그러면 한라산 등반을 끝으로 제주도 여행 일정이 다 끝났는데, 그럼 지금까지 제주도 영상 봐주셔서 감사드립니다. Peace out.